Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your following list on TikTok. So if you don't want people to see which accounts you are following, you can follow these steps. The first step is to open up the TikTok app. You'll be on the home page when you tap on the TikTok app. Then you want to tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on your profile page, you will see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap on that, and then you want to tap on settings and privacy, the second option. From here you can see the second option once again is privacy. You want to tap on that, and then once you're on the privacy page, just scroll down and you should see this option that says following list. This is the list of all the people you're following. So for me, it's set to everyone. So just tap on that, and then you want to select only me, and then only you will be able to see your following list. Just give it a moment to load, and then once that's set, you can go back. You can see now that it says only me right there. So if I go back to my profile, this list of people right here is only going to be visible to me, and that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.